In this video, you will learn how to switch data from column into rows. Currently, you can see here I have converted this column data into rows. In addition, you will also learn how to convert rows data into columns. In last part of video, you will learn how to switch data from multiple columns into multiple rows. In addition, you will also learn how to switch data from multiple rows into multiple columns. So let's start this video. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, select your data. For example, I am interested to convert this column data into rows. I will select all cells that contain data. Now you can see here I have selected all cells that contain data. After that, place your cursor on any cell and right click. Here you will find the option of copy. Select copy option. Select any cell where you want to paste it. I will select this one. Right click. Here you will find multiple options. From here, choose paste specials. Click on this arrow, and at the bottom you will find the option of paste special. Select this one. A window will be appeared. From here, select this option, transpose, and simply click on OK. Now you can see here column data is converted into rows. You can also convert rows data into column. For example, I will select this data. Copy this data, select the column where you want to paste it. I will select this one, right click, and here you will find the option of paste special. Click on this arrow, and here you will find the option of paste special again. Select this one. I will place it here. From here I will choose again transpose option and click on OK. Now you can see here this rows data is converted into columns. Now you will learn how to convert multiple column data into multiple rows. Firstly, I will adjust this one. Select the data. Now you can see here I have selected two column data. After selecting this data, right click. Here you will find the option of copy. Simply copy this one and select the rows where you want to paste this data. I will select this one. After selecting desired cell, right click. Here you will find the option of paste special and click on this arrow. Again you will find the option of paste special at the bottom. Select this one. A window will be appeared. From here, select transpose option and simply click on OK. Now you can see here multiple column data is converted into multiple rows. If you are interested to switch data from multiple rows into multiple columns, you can also do that. Simply select this data. Now you can see here I have selected multiple rows data. After doing that, place your cursor on any selected cell, right click and copy this one. Now select the column where you are interested to paste this one. After selecting desired cell, right click, and here you will find the option of paste special. Click on this row, and at the bottom you will again find the option of paste special. Select this one. A window will be appeared again. From here I will choose transpose option and simply click on OK. Now you can see here the column data is converted into rows. So by following this video, you can easily convert single column or multiple column data into single rows or multiple rows. In addition, you can also convert single rows or multiple rows into columns. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.